Hello, my name is Natalia and I'm a founder and the owner of the exotic, luxury, VIP and all those fancy words car rental fleet in Miami. We are called G.M.Luxe, and if you already rented a vehicle from us, then watch this video to get a tutorial of one of my female drivers to how to properly use this vehicle. If you have not rented from us, then please follow links down below this video and make your future reservation.
Hey guys, so today we have this beautiful blue Lamborghini, and I just wanted to show you some functions that it would be useful for you guys to know. So here's the key, and it has 3 buttons. Open it, close it, and hold this button to open up the trunk. So whenever you're approaching the car, just press the button to open it, and that's all you have to do. So moving on into the next part, I just wanted to show you guys a few things. Here is the driving modes. Here is the media controllers, here is your climate controls, and here are some functions for the car. To turn the car on, just make sure you press on the brake and push that button. So here is the driving modes. To put the car in the reverse, press the brake and lift that button up. To put it back in park, you press the button park. To put it in manual shift for you to be able to drive it manually, you just press M. Then next is the media controllers. So control the media, you press on the menu, and everything is going to come up on the dashboard. Navigation, telephone, car information, information about anything else, and to just go back. Here we have your radio, here we have your media, and here we have your volume controlling. On the dashboard above, it's climate controls. Here we have your temperature controls. With this button, you control the temperature. Here we have your fan controls, your seat heating, the direction where the air goes, the AC, everything is here. And here we have the car controllers. To put the driving window down, you just press on this button. To put it back up, you lift it up. Here is the controller about lifting the car up if you're going through bumpy roads. Just tap it once and the car will start lifting up and you'll be all set to go. Here we have the emergency lights. And here is a parking sensor. If you're close to another car in the traffic and it starts beeping, you can always turn it off by pulling it up. And here we have a passenger window opener. To close it, press it up. To open it, pull it back down. So I just wanted to show you guys how the steering wheel controls work. Let's say, for example, the windshields. To turn it on, you tap it once on the right. To turn it off, you tap it once on the left. To just spray some water, just press on that button and the water is going to come out. The controllers on the left, it is the blinkers. To turn on the left blinker, press it on the left. If you want to turn it off, press it down. If you want to turn the right one, press it right. To turn it off, press down. If you want to turn on your flashing lights, just tap that button and the lights are going to start coming on. Over here, we're having the dash design menu. To see options, press this button. To scroll the options, you can go either here or here. And over here we have cruise control. Turn on, plus, minus, set, reset. And over here we have our driving modes. Strada is comfort. To switch it to sport, just tap that button down once. This is sport. And if you want to go to track mode, which is Corsa, you pull it down one more time. If you want to go back to comfort, you just tap it twice up. To control or change the side mirrors, let's say you pick the left one, switch into the left one, tap left, tap right, and it's going to adjust. Same thing with the right one, you just tap it right, here, there, up, down. And if you want to completely close the mirrors, you just go here. And to open it back up. So here we have the light control. Now it's on auto. If you want to switch it to manual, you can always press those buttons. Or if you want to put it back on auto, just press it here. Here you have that anti-fog light. You will always press it. And here's back on auto. And over here we have trunk and the hood opening buttons. This button you open up the trunk. This button you open up the hood on the back where the engine is. To put the car in drive, press on the brake and simply tap that shift over here. And you're going to see it on A and Strada on the dashboard.
Thank you for watching this video and for renting from us. If you still have questions, please contact us at any time. It was our pleasure to serve you, and we're looking forward to serve you again soon. Bye!